Jingle bells. It must be Christmas time. Do you want to know what I want for Christmas? I want a new iPhone. Give me a new iPhone, please. Please. I will teach you how to play Jingle bells. I'll teach you a song on piano. Oh, okay, fine. Alright, so you know me, we're going to go line at a time, box at a time. So each phrase is a line on the music. So if we learn a line at a time, then we get pretty far in this. So it starts with thumbs on C. We have some tricky things in the right hand. We have the two notes and the fourth, the third and the fourth. So watch those. 1/3, 2/4. Okay? So that's that. The third comes back, but we do a third on D in the second line. Okay, so we do, on the second line, we kind of do a third between two hands at the end. So see how it has two hands at the last measure on the second line? It just walks down to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that one is 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay? The third line is about the same as the first line, so you don't have to practice that if you worked hard on the first. The fourth line, though, is some trickery. I shall pull you back, and you'll see what happens. We have 5 and 4 on the same note. Oh my gosh! Don't worry, it'll be a Christmas miracle if you get this. Okay, so we have 5, 4, 4, 4. Try that. 5, 4, 4, 4. Watching you. Are you trying it? Okay. 5, 4, 4, 4. That's a hard part right there. So after you do the 5, 4, 4, 4, your finger lands on A, and then we have both hands, skip, left hand. Okay? So try that line extra hard, okay? Then you get the Jingle Bells part. Oh, everybody's favorite part. Don't do that, okay? Practice nice and slowly. You got thirds. A lot of thirds in the right hand, too, okay? And the left hand does fifths. I know you probably started on that part because everybody's like, and yeah, don't do that. So make sure you practice it perfectly and then move to the next line. If you practice it perfectly, we have the third line too. But the second one, box 21, is this. All left hand notes. It's kind of tricky. There's only one thing that skips. All of it's the notes next to each other. Okay? So the very last note is a skip of a fourth. Okay? That is almost the same as box 29. So box 29 has a skip there and a C chord. Okay? So practice those two together so you can learn them well. Oh dear, there's 3 pages. Oh no. Well, the third page isn't that hard because we do something called transposing. So if you're in book 2, you probably learned about transposing when we go to a new hand position. Okay? So we're going to go to a D position. You should try this before you play the third page. Okay, so try that a few times. Notice how your 3's on a sharp. Basically, we play the second page with a 3 on a sharp, starting at 37. Okay? So it's the same exact song as 17. It's just you're in D position instead of C position. Okay? So you can practice it just like that, but if you learned it the right way by reading the directions and skips and stuff, then you should be fine for the next page. That's why I said seconds, thirds, and fourths. This crazy teacher is so smart. Okay, there it is. You owe me an iPhone. Thank you very much.